Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to blur image. So for example, I will insert image. You can click the layer tools and then click this photo icon and you can choose your image to insert into the Ibis Pen. Click OK. Now if you want to blur this image, we can use the blur effect on the filter. You can click this icon filter and then click on the blur option. Now we have a lot of options to blur the image. Like you can use this zooming blur. You can increase, decrease for the radius and strength. Or you can change into Gaussian blur. And this is for the zooming blur. And you also can use the frost glass. So this is for the frost glass. If you done, you can click OK to apply the effect. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis X tutorial, how to blur image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.